So this is a short video explaining how to install the knee savers or the pedal extenders depending on the brand you buy them from. You're going to need a 15mm wrench, a 5/16 Allen, and depending on your strength, possibly a dead blow hammer. First you have to take off the original pedals, rotating counterclockwise on the left side. I've already taken the time and written down the right side and left side for the knee savers because they are they have to go on specific sides, that is. So I have a right hand and a left hand. The pedal extenders go on just like you would a normal pedal. Tighten them on. Then, using the 5/16 Allen, squeeze them on down. The pedals go on to the pedal extenders just like they would onto the crank. Now these are fantastic for the knees. If you have bad knees at all, these will definitely help ease a little bit of tension. I've just gotten these pair and I've ridden about 20 miles with them, and I definitely feel a difference on the knees. I have actually thought about getting the shortened cranks, but if these knee savers end up working like they supposed to, then I won't get those. Left hand side. Notice you just tap it with the dead blow hammer. Don't haul off and go wide swinging on it. Doesn't need that much force on it. Just a gentle persuasion. And there you go. Less than 3 minutes to install the pedal extenders / knee savers. You can normally get these for about 10 to 20 bucks, and they are well worth their money. Thanks for watching.